day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a toggle bolt into your plaster wall. Toggle bolts are great for your toilet paper holders and towel rods because they go behind the plaster and grab onto a bigger portion of the plaster and hold your stuff in place. For this job, I'm going to be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips bit, a drill bit the same size as my toggle bolt. A toggle bolt is designed to collapse in half so you can push it through your drilled hole, and after you pop out the other side on the inside of the wall, it flares back out, and then when you tighten it, it grabs a hold of a bigger portion of the drywall or plaster, which gives it a lot more holding strength. First thing we need to do is go ahead and get our drill bit on there and drill out a hole where we want our toggle bolt to go. Next thing we're going to do is grab our toggle bolt, fold it in half, place it into the hole, and then push it in until you hear it click. After that, we're going to hold on to our bolt, apply a little bit of pressure out, and start drilling it in. A lot of times you want to put a washer on the other side of this, that way it doesn't collapse back into the wall, it stays right in place. One of the problems with this is, if you're not going to tighten it all the way up, let's say you want to hang a picture on there, it will wiggle around a little bit, but it won't go anywhere because it's securely fastened on the inside of the wall. With the washer on there, it won't fall back into the hole. Toggle bolts are a great way to go ahead and put stuff on the wall, even if you don't have a stud or lath boards to hit. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.